Ah, what's going on, guys? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's going on, guys? Fucking ty.funded. Fucking ty.funded here. You already know. We took a banger today. You know the market has been garbage recently. Everybody know the market been horrible with Trump and everything on the tariffs, and especially forex and futures, bro. Shit been just slow as hell. But today we actually caught a decent trade for once, bro. For once. But before we get into the video, I want y'all, if y'all ever plan on buying a funded account for forex, buy that shit on funded next. Use my referral codes right here. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So, today was no news Monday. I mean, this wasn't there a while ago, but no news Monday overall. And on a no news Monday, the market tends to be a little bit slower than usual. So what I like to do is I try and go into the trading day thinking I might not be able to find a trade, just so that I don't force a trade to happen. So I don't take a bullshit trade and then price is just going like this the whole day, creating piano fucking tiles like this shit right here, right? So came into Monday now, and I noticed that London session open right here. Let me get my tool. London session open at 12 a.m. and we were bearish until we came down to these 1 hour lows. This 1 hour low right here. We sweep this one, yes, and this 1 hour low right here as well. Let me mark them. With that 1 hour low and this 1 hour low. So we came to that and we swept it and we continued higher. Now, when market opened at 7 a.m. today, because daylight savings time, forex market switched from 8 a.m. for me to 7 a.m. So I gotta wake up early again. I did not miss that shit. So 7 a.m. now, market open, London, New York session open right here. And what I wanted to see now, I'm looking on the 1 hour. I'm thinking, London was kind of bearish, but then we're mostly bullish coming into pre-market as well. So I'm like, all right, we have these two equal highs right here. We have those equal highs right here, and essentially down here is London lows as well, right? So we have these two equal highs, and market open at this white candle right here. So what I wanted to see was I wanted price to come to these equal highs because price was overall bullish, and for it to reverse, we have to see a drawn liquidity and a liquidity sweep. So we have this 15-minute high and this 15-minute high, 1 hour, 1 hour high, and 1 hour high. So that is already a higher time frame bias. I'm bearish. Good. So we got a daily bias on bearish, and this is a high time frame confluence. So that obviously holds higher power. So I'm now looking for my second confluence. I'm looking for a fair value gap. I wasn't really seeing much on the 15-minute here. We have this 15-minute fair value gap, but I wanted something closer to the highs that I could use as an entry point. Now I scaled down to the 5-minute, and I saw this tiny little fucking bearish fair value gap right here. Now I'm waiting for price to come to these highs, and what happened? I would have wanted to see the same candle, go up and then start the reversal before it closed. But at 7:30, I don't usually enter that early, but I had reasoning because we swept the highs. So what did I do? I top ticked that bad bitch, bro. I top ticked it. The minute the candle closed, I could already sense this was gonna happen right here. I could tell price would do some fuckery and it would just continue down and I would miss my entry. So as it was closing, I positioned for shorts right there. Now there's nowhere for me to really put a stop loss because I'm top ticking it. So I just put an appropriate stop loss. Put an appropriate stop loss of about let's say like 33 pips, somewhere there, somewhere around there. It was actually right about there exactly. Now on the 15-minute, we also have this bullish fair value gap right here. I'm gonna delete this line so you can see it easier. This 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Let me change the color of this. It's 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So I could already kind of see that price is going to come back to the same 5-minute bearish fair value gap. We're going to come into the 15-minute and we're probably going to have a little reversal. So I didn't want to keep my stop loss too tight because I know how forex is with the spread and shit. I would have hated to been stopped out because look at this big ass move it made, which I predicted. So put my stop loss just about 30 points above where I entered. Now my take profit, I drew equilibrium from this low to this high, and I would have put my take profit here, but the way price was moving, I wanted to put it just a little higher. Obviously, you know, we could target London lows, which it looks like it might, but that would have been a massive trade, and I don't, as I said previously in the video at the beginning, I don't want to take an over-the-top trade on a no-news Monday, because what happens is we usually get some volume and then market just starts to chop up for the rest of the day. So I put my take profit at where was it again? Put my take profit right here. Put my take profit at this, no, not that high. Put it like right around here, yeah, right here. Just a little bit above, you know. Didn't want to put it all the way down here just because I didn't want to be in the trade for too long today. Now my take profit is, wait, was it even right here? Yeah, it was. All right, I'm tweaking. So now what I did was I entered, and obviously price instantly shit the bed. Scale on the 5-minute better. Price instantly shit the bed, right? Instantly. And I'm like, oh yes, this is amazing. You know, we tap into the 15-minute and then tap into the 15-minute and we go up just a little bit, get a little bit of a push back into the same 5-minute bearish fair value gap, and then we continue to respect it and we go down. And I'm like, hell yeah. You know, this shit is going beautifully. Now, 8 o'clock, 4-hour candle closed. Made a nice move down for about 5 minutes until 8:05 came and hell nearly struck down. This shit started getting a fucking erection like GU taking honey packs. But I did not worry, because what happened? We came back up to our entry point. Now, if somebody was taking partials, they would have gotten their first take profit. They would have gotten stopped down. Market would have did what it did. I don't take partials very often. So price came back up to here. I was just making sure, I was just monitoring all 3 positions because I'm on 3 separate accounts. I'm monitoring all of my positions, making sure that they did not get stopped out. So came back up to the same highs and we actually swept them out once again, as you can see on the 15-minute. Now, as I was watching the trade, I noticed something, because I was saying these highs are very nice, you know, just very nice to see. So I marked this out. This is a bearish SMT. I don't usually see those often, so I'm like, okay, hold on. Let me go on Euro USD. And would you fucking look at that on the 1 hour? We have the higher high and the lower high right here. And then on GU, we have the higher high and the lower high over here. So now that is an amazing and a perfect bearish SMT. All of these things I'm already seeing, yeah, we're going to be bearish as hell today. We're going to be really bearish today. And that is also why I stopped worrying. Now, as I said, I have to stick to the trading plan. Even though I saw all of that, I wasn't quite comfortable with leaving everything. I didn't really want to leave my take profit too low. I didn't really want to be in a trade too long, especially after seeing this happening, and then they got stopped out. So take profit down here. Oops. Take profit down there. Yeah, there we go. That's the perfect thing I had. Take profit down here. And yeah, we absolutely decimated that after 8:30, you know, for about 25 minutes right here. We were kind of just consolidating, doing a little bit of foolishness, but you know, GU likes to do its tomfoolery from time to time. So once I saw this 15-minute candle here invalidate the 15-minute bullish gap, I already knew we were golden. We were golden to get that take profit, and that's exactly what happened. I was in the trade for about an hour and 20 minutes, entered at 7:40. Automatically take profit hit at 9 o'clock. Now look at this now. See price continue to even lower. I don't feel any way about it because I got what I came for. I took the opportunity I could take and I got what I could make. You don't want to get too greedy because let's say, I was targeting down here, left the trade, and then you see what's happening right here. This could possibly reverse and just continue back bullish. You never know. So I was just comfortable with leaving my take profit here. And that's that. I stuck to my trading plan. I got an absolutely beautiful trade entry. That is one of the first times I've ever top ticked something so beautifully. And yes, normally I like to enter closer to 8 o'clock or when the 4-hour candle closes. But when I see it's completely necessary like today, that's what I did. And yeah, I was actually also contemplating entering again. So putting in more positions once I saw it back at my entry point. But as I said, no news Monday, I de-risk. And I don't go for a massive trade. Even though this is a fucking 1 to 10 RR, bro. Haven't gotten something this large. Pause. Haven't gotten like such a big trade in a while. And that is just an amazing way to start off the new week in March. And that's just going to set the tone for the rest of the week. And a little overlook for the rest of the week. We got tomorrow. Job openings, nothing really crazy. Wednesday now, we have the crazy shit. We have CPI. And on Thursday, we have PPI. Now, maybe if you're really a risk taker, you could probably find a trade on PPI. But CPI, we completely always stay away from it because I don't know. The market's either going to have a limp dick or an erection. It's just going to go disgusting. So, Friday, I'll more than likely be trading. Not sure if I'll be able to take a trade, but I'm going to have to look and see what kind of news this is and what kind of effect this has on the market. So, I'm going to go and I'm going to backtest now, and I'm going to check that. But I'm going to pop up the thing on the screen so y'all see the money that I made. Made around $660 today. Beautiful day. Fucking money Monday. People hate Mondays. I love them. As a trader, that's what you should be doing, bro. You should be loving the Mondays. But this video is going a little over length. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I'll see y'all in the next trade. I'll see y'all in the next trade recap.